Here we have a vector arithmetic question taken from an Edexcel textbook. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC, and DC is 4 times AB. M divides DC such that DM to MC is in a ratio 3 to 2. A to B is the vector A, and B to C is the vector B. Find in terms of A and B, A to M, B to D, M to B, and D to A. So I'm going to begin this question by drawing that trapezium such that the parallel sides are something like this. One has to be 4 times bigger than the other. That's roughly okay. So A, B, C, D. Now I highly recommend doing this because it is very difficult to do vector arithmetic questions without having at least some kind of visual. So I've got M divides DC such that DM to MC is the ratio 3 to 2. So perhaps somewhere here, if I divide DC into like 5 parts, DM will be 3 of them and MC will be 2. A to B is the vector A, so I'm going to do this in another colour for my vectors, and they are directed. So A to B is A, B to C is B, and C to D, so if I go in this direction, it's minus the direction of A, and also 4 times bigger, so it's minus 4A. Okay, that's all the way from C to D. So we can split that up into C to M and M to C if we wish. So part A asks for A to M. So let's just zoom in a little bit and see how we can do that. So start at A and then go to B, to C and to M. So we go along the vectors that we know. So I can get from A to M by going from A to B, then B to C, and C to M, which I know is A plus B. Now I'm adding on 2/5 of that vector minus 4A. So 2/5 times minus 4A. So A plus B minus 8/5 A, which simplified is B minus 3/5 A. So that's part A. Let's take these off. Now in part B, I'm going from B to D. So part B, B to D. Right, so start at B and go to D along vectors I know. This one's quite simple. I go from B to C and C to D, which I've already labelled as B minus 4A. Okay, part C then, M to B. So what does M to B look like? So I shall start at M and I will go to B. So I will go M to C first of all, and then I will go C to B. So what is that? That's M to C is 2/5 of the minus 4A, but in the opposite direction, so it's positive. It will be 2/5 of 4A this time, and then backwards along B. So 8/5 A minus B. And finally for part D, let's put it here, D to A. I start at D and I go to A. So going along the vectors we know, looks like this. So D to C, then C to B, and then B to A, which is opposite along minus 4A, so it's positive 4A. Backwards along B, and then backwards along A. And simplifying this to finish the question is 3A minus B. So check out studywell.com if you want to know more about vector arithmetic.